Okay, so as promised, I'm going to show you how to make these spacers strictly in Orca. This is the first set that I made. This is me checking the STL file, which you're going to be able to get. So we're going to start off by just making a new plate, so we can start from scratch. And then we're going to go ahead and I want to make the cylinder the same size. So let's see what it says it is. Okay, it's saying the size is 5 millimeters on the X and Y and 6 millimeters tall. So we'll go ahead and do that. We're going to just click on this plate. We're going to go add primitive and cylinder. And then we will set it to the same scale. We'll start off by just going 5 millimeters and turn off uniform scale, and we can make height 6 millimeters. All right. Okay, so now we got our little cylinder here, right? So how do we make the hole? Well, kind of the same way. We're going to right click on it, and we're going to go add negative part, and we're going to make another cylinder. And this says, just say okay. It's not really important for what we're doing. So this thing needs to be in the center of that. So all we have to do is change these positions to 0. And now this is right in the center. Then we're going to have to adjust the scale. We'll go ahead and put it back on uniform scale. We want the wall thickness to be about 1 millimeter. We don't want it to be very thick because we want it to be easy to melt when we go ahead and put the hot threaded insert into the socket. So we're going to set this to 4 millimeters. And then we'll turn off uniform scale and we'll make this 8 so that it's totally clear. So now if we slice this, you'll see we get a nice little cylinder with a hole in it. And we did that all inside of Orca. All right, so now you want a lot of them, right? We're going to right click and clone. And we're going to say make 19. And before we do this, we have to go up and turn on a setting in preferences. We're going to tell it we want it to auto arrange plate after cloning. Okay. So this way, when we clone this, it's going to separate everything out into a nice pattern that we can work with. Okay, so it puts everything in the middle, which is fine. But at this point, you can just kind of, drag and move things around to organize it in a way that is more suitable for your tastes. I like a nice grid. So I'll move this guy over here and we're done. And now if we slice this, there you have it. Print these slow at probably 20% of your maximum speed, and you'll have a nice set that you can use to insert your threaded inserts with. You can also make other things in Orca. This is just to show you some of the possibilities. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you got some use out of it, give it a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.